We Greeks, as well as people from most nationalities, like to take pride in being residents of a green country. The question is, are we entitled to do so? In latter decades, the Greek coastal zone has changed drastically, as well as the attitudes of the people towards it. The main point of this video is to explore whether these alterations are positive or negative. We will be presenting to you the views of citizens on sustainability and the aspects of the modern coastal area based on the statistics we collected, as well as give some insight on the current situation and provide you with some breathtaking aerial footage of our coastal zone. Our research involves people over the age of 20 with a permanent residence in one of the coastal municipalities of Bouza, Vari Voudarmeni, Glyfada and Paleo Faliro. The sample was equally split between men and women, while a worth mentioning finding was that the vast majority lived in the area for at least 2 decades. Furthermore, a significant number of the participants were active members of their local coastal zones.
What the coastal zone used to be, most of the participants agreed that there was easier access to the beaches, cleaner coasts and seas, but the area was noisier due to the restaurants in the coastal zone.
Activities such as tourism, overfishing, the reckless use of natural resources, and the increased construction activity are the main answers given the question, which activities carried out in the coastal zone are responsible for pollution? When asked who is more responsible for the pollution of the beaches, the citizens or the businesses, most people believe that the businesses pollute to a lesser extent in relation to the people who visit the beaches leaving behind their garbage.
To the question concerning what can be done on an individual level and whether they would partake in an environmental action, the answers were diverse. Some indicative answers were being cautious of their actions, personal hygiene, overall respect for the environment, active participation in beach cleaning groups, recycling, raising public awareness, and selection of the appropriate local authorities.
When asked if they are informed about the problems of the coastal zone, most of them answered that they are partially informed and would like further information.
All their views converge on the fact that young people are becoming more aware and sensitive compared to previous generation, which is due to their education. However, the media that spread messages of concern about climate change are the ones who provide the greatest dissemination.
When asked if they know about the actions developed by their municipality for the sustainability of their city and consequently of the coastal front, we received the answer that they do not know the actions taken by each municipality, but they only recognize what they see happening: projects, infrastructure, interventions, etc.
The same answer was given to the question whether the participants were aware of any voluntary coastal protection groups organized by their municipality.
As an urgent need, they raised the issue of regular information from the municipality using all means of communication with citizens. They cooperate with schools, businesses, and citizens and accept all the help provided in trying to address the problems for the sustainability of their area of responsibility.
This logic, most respondents would actively participate in a voluntary action.
When asked if they have been affected by the problems of the coastal zone, the opinions differ. Almost half of them agree that they have been muchly affected since the access to the beach is now harder, while the rest believe that professionals are the only ones who have been affected.
Finally, many of them are trying or have managed to envisage the future of the seafront in a positive way. They believe that cleaner beaches with better accessibility and organization will be available for the people, while non-polluting enterprises will operate on the coastal zone of a green and eco-friendly city. Others, however, reckon the situation will remain the same.
Solutions: reduce, reuse, recycle, spread the word, help raise awareness, reusable water bottles and straws, have a reusable mindset when you go grocery shopping, choose organic, natural materials over synthetic for your clothes and household items. Consider the parts of your environmental impact that you cannot see, for example microfiber pollution. Encourage your municipality to organize more cleaning actions, mostly voluntary. Collect your own rubbish. When leaving the beach, make sure you have a bag in which you can put any packaging of something you consumed or your cigarette ends.
Hopefully, one day, everyone becomes aware of the problems our planet is facing and adopts a green mindset. We need to live a sustainable life to help build a sustainable society. We also wish that in a few years we will be able to find solutions to reduce our carbon footprint and therefore curb environmental pollution. As mentioned before, sustaining a green way of thinking and an ecological conscience is the only way to shape the cities we've all been dreaming of.
The mayor of Oula, Varisin Vouliagmenis, gladly participated in the research of our team and answered questions that we set in relation to the sustainable management of the coastal zone and the cities that make up this municipality. He referred to both the actions taken to reduce the energy footprint of the municipality and the actions developed in the coastal zone. In his answer, he referred to the main pillar of management of the complex of municipalities he governs, which is none other than the three bottom line aspects. That is, the three interrelated relations that must govern today's societies: people, environment, and economy. He referred to the main problems faced by the coastal front due to erosion and landslides, emphasizing the efforts to reduce these with targeted projects. The most important problem seems to be the overactivity of human visitors, contributing significantly to the pollution of the beaches. If one thinks that every weekend about 60,000 visitors visit the beaches of the municipality without including the citizens, resulting in waste production after their visit, an issue which is also in line with the views of the citizens.
In the context of sustainable management, the municipality is currently collecting tree trunks and algae which are rich in iodine, which produces in special facilities high-quality compost. And even on the free beaches of the municipality, there are garbage collection bins of different bins for separation at the source. And finally, in a part of the beach, a test operation of photovoltaic panels was developed in 55 umbrellas, resulting in the production of energy for the benefit of the citizens, which is equivalent to 15 trees.
After all, the mayor's principle is green, intelligent, and effective. Actions must be reduced in relation to their footprint and the reduction of carbon emissions. Only then we will notice how effective an action is. As an example, he mentioned the change of municipal lighting bulbs, where by reducing energy consumption he saved 500,000 euros, which is equivalent to reducing carbon emissions from energy production, or respectively with 264,000 trees. Every year it saves 260 to 270,000 trees depending on the consumption. Finally, he mentioned a development model he would like for his region, which he would like to be like that of Valencia, with a coastline length of 30 kilometers in the area of responsibility. He would like to develop the local economy through the companies that are located in his city, but without them burdening the coastal zone. He also considers it necessary to change the traffic on the roads, giving more space to the city, the citizens, and the coastline, and not overburdening it. And of course, he did not fail to tell us that in cooperation with the neighboring municipalities, they will be able to organize the entire coastal front. When asked what his vision is, he answered that he wants a city that is unified, friendly, green, efficient, and to become a model city, a city that everyone will want to live in. Many things have already been done, but we demand that more action should be taken in order to raise public awareness on the sustainable development of the coastal zone. The road for the improvement of the coastal zone is long, but the first step has been taken. We are the ones responsible for our future. We are the new generation. The solution is less pollution. Let's go green.